Hello everyone, I am Dr. Abha Kumari. Today we will discuss some problem from inverse trigonometric function. Earlier we have seen how can we calculate the functions of trigonometric functions uh, and prove the left hand side equal to right hand side. But today we will solve the question, and here we can find the value of x. For what value of x the tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals to pi by 4. So let us see the solution. Here we take both the sides, left hand side and right hand side. Okay, so the solution is tan inverse 2x plus tan inverse 3x equals to pi by 4. Now we have tan inverse a plus tan inverse b. So what the tan inverse a plus tan inverse b is? Tan inverse a plus b. So here is 2x plus 3x divided by 1 minus 2x into 3x, and this value can be written as tan inverse what? Since this is a pi by 4 and tan inverse 1 is pi by 4. Now this implies tan inverse 5x divided by 1 minus 6x squared is equals to tan inverse 1. Fine. Now we are equating the functions. So since there is a tan inverse and here is also a tan inverse function, so we can equate the theta from both the sides. So this implies 5x divided by 1 minus 6x square is equals to 1. Now by cross multiplication what we get here is 5x equal to 1 minus 6x square. Now do the cross multiplication, and by simplifying this value here we have 6x square. So we have taken the 6x square on the left hand side. So 6x square getting the plus sign. So plus 5x minus 1 equal to 0. Now we factorize this function here. So what we get here is 6x square plus 6x minus x minus 1 equal to 0. So this implies 6x is taken the common, x plus 1 minus 1 is again common. So here is x plus 1 equals to 0. So this implies 6x minus 1 and x plus 1 equals to 0. So here we are living with a two factor. First one is 6x minus 1 and the second one is x plus 1. Therefore, the value of x can be written as 6x equals to 1, and this implies x equals to 1 by 6, and x plus 1 equal to 0. From this value here we get x equals to minus 1. Okay, but since x equals to minus 1, or if we take the x equals to minus 1, then the left hand side value, that is the, here is a plus pi by 4. But if we are taking the minus sign, then we get the right hand side as minus pi by 4. So minus sign is not possible for as a solution, and therefore the required solution is x equal to 1 by 6. So this is the required solution, and the value of x is 1 by 6. Let us see one more question. The question is tan inverse 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x is equals to 1 by 2 tan inverse x. Here x greater than 0. Now what we have to find here is the value of x. For what value of x both the function tan inverse 1 minus x divided by 1 plus x must be equal to half tan inverse x. So let us solve this question. So solution. So here we have tan inverse 1 minus x by 1 plus x, and this value is equals to half tan inverse x. Right. Now this simple. What the formula for this function is? So we can write this function as tan inverse 1 minus x divided by 1 plus 1 into x equal to half tan inverse x. Now this simple. Tan inverse a minus b divided by 1 plus a into b. So this is the formula for tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. So tan inverse 1 minus tan inverse x. That means tan inverse a minus tan inverse b. And this is equals to half tan inverse x. Now here we have two functions having the x, this one and this one. So we will take both one side. So tan inverse 1 equal to tan inverse x plus half tan inverse x. And by simplifying these two value, what we get? 2 plus 1, then 3 by 2 tan inverse x. Fine. So this imply. Now what we have here is tan inverse 1. So this tan inverse 1 we can write like this, pi by 4. And then we have a function of the form 3 by 2 tan inverse x. Okay. So now simplifying this value, so in the left hand side we can write like the pi by 4 tan inverse 1 equals to pi by 4. So now we write pi by 4 equals to 3 by 2 tan inverse x. Now this simplifies. Now taking 3 by 2 in the left hand side, so 2 pi divided by 3 into 4, that is 2 pi divided by 12 equals to tan inverse x. Now we simplify this function to pi by 6. So we get the value of tan inverse x is equals to pi by 6. And therefore x is equals to tan pi by 6. Here is tan inverse x. So while changing the function, we are leaving with the x. So the right hand side will become tan of pi by 6. And tan pi by 6 is 1 by root 3. Therefore, hence x is 1 by root 3. Here is the answer. Thank you.